the difference between a coated and an uncoated insulator. Both of these are new coated insulators. This is coated with EM570 HVIC, RTV HVIC, which stands for room temperature vulcanizing high voltage insulator coating by Epsilon mixer. And this is a brand new insulator. So today I'll show you the difference, what happens. If you can come in close, the difference is that this surface is very hydrophobic and this is a plain insulator. For example, when you put water on this, complete wetting has taken place. Whereas if you put water on this, because of the surface is very hydrophobic, each droplet is separate. Now, besides this, today, what I will show you is that this is a self-cleaning formula. You don't have to wash it, clean it, or do any maintenance on a coated insulator with RTV HVIC. And this one is specially coated by an Epsilon company, by Epsilon. So I'm going to put some pollutants on it. So I've got some mud on it. So I'm going to put some mud. So I'm using mud as a kind of pollutant, and I'm going to try and wash it. Okay. And then I'm going to put some water on this. So now, as you can see, since the water, we're taking water as rain, since you can see there's still some, if you come close in, there's a lot of residue stuff in here, and the complete wetting has taken place of the insulator, which basically if there's going to be a corona, flashover or leakage current, because it's all wet now, so electricity will travel from point A to point B. So whereas in the case of a coated insulator, if you see closely, even the pollutant has been encapsulated in different beads, and because of the hydrophobic property of this coating, every droplet is separated from each other. So if the current has to flow, electricity will never flow from point A to point B because there's no continuity in the water or connectivity. So I also would like to put it to your notice that it's still better than a long rod or polymer insulator. Why? Because you have the surface property of a porcelain insulator, which is very strong, well known, and has been around for many years. The only problem with the porcelain insulator is the surface property is not as well as a coated insulator, polymer, we agree. But to combine best of both the worlds, you take a porcelain insulator and you coat it, you get a better option which will last for many years, like 30-40 years. So thank you, and wait for my next video.